So you've chosen to do the design a garden activity. So what we're going to need for this activity is some colors. So yellow, green, brown, and blue. Okay, so I am going to go over and get my pencil crayons. And bring them over. Okay, so we're going to imagine that the city of Fredericton has decided to donate us some land to make a garden. So they are very particular on what they want you to grow though. So they're only giving you 4 varieties of vegetables. And so we have to figure out a way to get the vegetables into this area and use up all the space. Okay. So it says here, tip. To make things easier, you could ensure all fractions have the same denominator. So see over here how I have some of them are 1/5 and some of them are over 5 and some of them are over 10. So to make it easier for yourself, you want to put them all over 10. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that with 1/5. So let's imagine we have 1/5 here. Okay. And I want to get it over 10 instead of over 5. So I think about what could I do to my 5 to get it to 10? And I know that what I can do is times it by 2. Okay, so that gives me 10. Anytime I do something to the denominator, which is the bottom number of my fraction, I have to do it to the top. So I'm going to do that to the top too. I'm going to multiply the top by 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, so that gives me 2/10. So that means that 2/10 and 1/5 are equivalent. We call them equivalent fractions. That means the same thing. So that makes it easier for me. So I have 2 out of 10 and 2 out of 5. So I could increase these to 10 or reduce these to 5. So I decided to increase this to 10 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. So that tells me now that I now have to color 2 out of 10 yellow. So I'm going to pick 2 of these rows and color them in yellow. I'm going to do the same thing to 2/5. I'm going to change it. I'm going to multiply by 2 because again, it's 5. Okay, so that's going to give me a fraction out of 10. And then I color that many columns green. And then these ones are already out of 10, so I color 3 of them brown and 1 of them blue. And I should end up with a grid that is all colored in with my vegetables. Once you're done, you're going to do a little activity that has some science in it, reading about how to make an effective compost. Good luck.